A White House spokesperson says Obama spoke with Saudi King Salman bin Abdulaziz over the telephone. The spokesperson said Obama stressed the U.S. support for the action taken by Saudi Arabia, members of the Gulf Cooperation Council and others in response to a request by the Yemeni president. The White House also said the two leaders agreed that their collective goal is to achieve lasting stability in Yemen through a negotiated political solution backed by the United Nations. On Friday, Saudi Arabia and its allies continued a second day of air raids against the Shia insurgents Houthis in the Yemeni capital Sana'a and elsewhere. At least 55 citizens were reportedly killed in Sana'a.